Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I just want to do a quick update, a quick deal alert. I just got an email from Provident Metals saying they've got quarters and dimes, constitutional silver, for spot. And getting constitutional silver for spot is always great in my opinion. So let's go ahead and take a look. As you can see here, here's a dollar's worth for $10.73. So if I go there and let's go ahead and put in $10 worth, that's how I usually like to buy it. So you can see here, if we add it to the cart, you can see that it comes out to $107.30. So we use our calculator on that. We'd take $107.3 and we would divide it by 7.15 because that's how many ounces of silver are in $10 face. You can see there you get it for basically $15 and a penny per ounce. And if you look down here at their silver bid and ask price, $15 is what it is. So yeah, so that's a pretty good price for constitutional silver. Anytime you get a spot, $15 is pretty good. So if you can only afford a dollar's worth and get it for $10.73, I mean that's fine too. It all adds up. And also they've got the quarters as well, so it's not just the dimes. If you're looking for some quarters, they got them at spot as well. So anyway, I thought I'd make a quick little video showing you an opportunity to go out and get yourself some constitutional silver for a good price. Okay, so just one other thing I'd like to add in there before I finish off. You guys know I posted a video quite a while ago now about Provident Metals sending me some pretty bad silver dimes. It's out there if you want to go see it, but they were in pretty rough shape. And since then I've been pretty unhappy with them. I don't order from them too often, once in a while, but they really lost my business because of what they sent me and how they wouldn't back it up. They made me pay to ship it back to them. So I do have to say, buy at your own risk. It was dimes that they sent me that looked pretty bad. So they do have the quarters available as I mentioned. But Provident, for me, is a little shaky on ordering constitutional silver. But other people have ordered it and it's been fine, so it might be worth the risk, especially at the price. But I just want to let you know the possibilities there. So that's it for now. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.